If your Ford Explorer's air conditioning has stopped blowing cold, don't sweat it just yet. Most issues can be diagnosed in under 5 minutes. Statistically, 70% of AC failures in these SUVs are caused simply by low refrigerant levels due to a slow leak. Before you head to the shop, let's walk through the diagnostic process to find the exact cause. Start with the basics, check your fuses, listen for the compressor clutch to engage, and verify your cabin filter isn't blocked. If you hear a clicking sound behind the dashboard, your blend door actuator has likely failed, preventing cold air from reaching the vents. A compressor that cycles rapidly or makes high-pitched noises usually indicates low pressure or internal mechanical failure. While you can easily swap a fuse or a filter, major leaks and compressor replacements require specialized recovery equipment. Repair costs vary wildly, from a simple $100 recharge to over $1,000 for an evaporator core replacement. If you use a recharge kit, always connect to the low side port and add refrigerant slowly to avoid overpressurizing the system. Having the right tools like a UV leak detector and manifold gauges makes diagnosing these complex systems much easier. Remember that running your air conditioning periodically during the winter keeps the internal seals lubricated and prevents future leaks. Check your fuses and refrigerant levels first, and you'll have your Ford Explorer blowing ice-cold air again in no time.